Hello friends, this is Artist 22E Pro, which I purchased recently before 1 month. Now the problem in this particular device is, as you can see, this is XP Pen Artist 22E Pro device, and the right hand side which you screen you can see is just the screen of this. Now I've installed the driver from XP website itself. I'll even show you which drivers I have installed. So I went to XP's website and from this website this is my Artist 22E Pro. I went over there. I'm using Windows 10. So Windows 10, these three drivers are available. Out of these three drivers, I have tried with this driver, the same problem is happening. I have tried with this driver, same problem is happening. So I have installed this driver, same problem is happening, but it is happening in a time span of 24 hours. In this, after 10-15 minutes, in this driver also after 10-15 minutes, I had talked with on mail XP Pen support. They told me that to install this driver, but still this driver is also not working. I have installed this driver perfectly, and this is my driver, where I have set an express key settings. Now you can see this is my express key settings which I have already set. The K1 is Control P. K13, and now this is my K13, if you can see. Is it alright? If I'll press it, it should give me right click. I've already set it to right click. Is it alright? So once I set this, I keep OK. It will be working fine. It was working fine nicely since last 24 hours. But now see what is happening. If I press this key, is it alright? So I'm pressing this key. Right click is not happening. Is it alright? So right click is not working by this key. I press this as escape. Is it alright? Now I'll tell you which actually this key is working. It is say I'm opening Word. See if I press this. Is it alright? Which key is working is a default key of that particular key. Is it alright? Let me press this. Is it right? This is K1 probably. Is it right? If I press this, you can see it is typing B. Is it alright? This is typing E. If I'll show you, this is K1 and K2. Once again, let me even increase the font size. If I press this, it is typing B. If I press this, it is typing E. Actually, if I press this first K1, it should type Control P. Is it alright? Because I have set in my drivers, I'll show you my drivers. The drivers, it is Control P, and this is Control E. Is it alright? So what is happening is, after 24 hours installing that driver, after 24 hours this XP Pen is working, express key is working as default and not as set. Now you know that by pressing this K1 key I was getting B. Is it alright? Let me change all this shortcut to default. If I change it to default, see, you can see what is typed over here, B. What is typed over here, E. Is it alright? So even if it was Control P over here and Control E over here, it was working as B and E. So even after setting everything, the drivers are working as a default express key and not the express key as a set by me. Is it all? I have written to XP support, but they are not able to help me. I don't know whether the problem is with hardware or is with driver or is with their software. But it is very frustrating because whenever I go to live stream, I will set all my shortcut keys, express keys, and when I actually am a teacher, actually when I teach to students, the express keys are shifted to default and I cannot use a single express key, and I will have to stop the live stream.